Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated process of how to open the search page on Instagram. Whether you're looking for friends, hashtags, or content, the search feature is essential for navigating this popular platform. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once you're in, you'll be ready to explore. Next, look at the bottom menu of your screen. You'll see several icons there. Click on the Explore icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. This icon takes you to a world of discovery, showcasing trending posts and accounts that might interest you. After tapping the Explore icon, you'll be directed to a new page filled with various content. Now it's time to click on the Search icon, which is also represented by a magnifying glass at the top of this page. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the search page, you can enter what you're looking for in the search bar at the top of the screen. Whether it's a specific user's name, a hashtag, or even keywords related to your interests, just type it in and hit search. Instagram will provide you with a list of relevant results tailored to your query. As you explore these results, you can tap on any profile or hashtag to delve deeper into their content. This feature not only helps you find accounts to follow, but also allows you to discover new trends and topics that resonate with you. In summary, opening the search page on Instagram is straightforward. Start by opening the app, tapping on the Explore icon, selecting the search icon, and finally entering your desired search term. With these simple steps, you'll be well equipped to navigate Instagram's vast content landscape and connect with what matters most to you. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and start exploring all that Instagram has to offer.